Hello. The happiest day of my life was my middle school graduation, and I was working at a school, and the idea is I am celebrating my assurance with my family and friends. During the ceremony, it was feeling very nervous. So well, it was wait for my name. The teacher called me Kause. I go to his grade of my class and I rather with academic excellence. I also finished my participation in the school band as the group learned. I played from happy and grateful. It was the happiest day of my life because and my effort became real. I think it is important to come about bad events because they help my understand where I come from and what I am. Listening to my family story remind me about their effort and sacrifice I love later, but that's a lesson so we do not make the same mistakes when learn from what happened forever counter decision in the present that going on as makes it feel proud and more in the as my family that is well I think learning about the punch is very important.